Yeah, hi Mike, it's Mark FMAV. Okay, to let you know that I've done one of your CDs here for you. This is number one. I'm going to put a number one on there for you. So that's number one. So yeah, basically on this one, this is obviously missing a part. It was missing a screw in the back. Okay, so first off, cogs are worn on this one. They are pretty worn. I've checked the board on this one, and the board seems fine. You know, it's powering up. It don't take time to warm up or anything like that. You know, I've checked the micro switch, given that a bit of a clean for you. I've obviously cleaned the cogs, but not, you know, in all honesty, they weren't that dirty. So someone's obviously been in there, played about a bit. So I've changed the laser. I've put a new laser in there for you, and this one is all now working. And I've put a screw in there for you as well, an extra screw, so you've got all the screws now. You probably got them at home anyway, but I just you should be able to hear that. I've got an issue with my headphones at the moment, but you know, they sort of work intermittently, but they seem to be working okay at the moment. So you can see that's all working there. That's the Phillips part 1252, so there's nothing wrong with that one now. So that one's ready to ship. I'm going to work on the other one, and like I say, you got a 6-month warranty on the parts that I replaced. I can't warrant these cogs or anything like that, because obviously we've not replaced them. So yeah, there you go.